Don't.
Yeah.
Wait.
Go.
Are you recording it?
Yes.
Do I have
Oh
to
my
start over?
God.
The master.
You know what, you're doing it all over
Alright.
again. Go.
My name is Shasta. I am the master of disaster. And if you piss me off, I'm gonna make you run faster. Shit. I left it from there. What else runs faster?
Hey, Mom.
You better be started.
I don't know.
Come on, rabbit.
I'd rather wear a bunny's tail because I don't really want to fail. I don't want Bianca to win. Or I'll kick her in her shin. Or maybe I'll punch her in the chin. I think it'd be funny if she grew a fin. Or maybe her name was Lynn.
Okay.
Is that it?